Karjat-Panvel Local Train Project. The doubling of the railway line between Panvel and Karjat was sanctioned in 2016 and is part of the Mumbai Urban Transport Project (MUTP-3). A 28 kilometers of railway line is being constructed between Panvel and Karjat railway stations at a cost of Rs 2,783 crore. The project is expected to be completed by 2024. The additional railway lines between Panvel and Karjat will increase connectivity and will also reduce time taken to travel. Currently, a passenger who wants to travel from Panvel to Karjat has to travel by local trains via Kalyan or via Thane railway station. It takes nearly 1 hour to travel by local train. After construction of the railway line corridor, commuting time will reduce by 15 minutes as passengers would be able to board direct local trains and avoid crossovers. The Mumbai Rail Vikas Corporation Limited (MRVC), a joint venture of the Maharashtra government and the Indian Railways, is constructing the project and has begun the on-ground construction work of the railway line. 5 railway stations will be a part of the additional railway lines. The railway stations include Panvel, Chowk, Mohpe, Chikhle, and Karjat railway station. A rail flyover is being constructed by MRVC between Panvel and Chikhle railway stations, and the body has invited tenders for construction of 3 tunnels with ballastless tracks between the railway sections. The longest bridge will be more than 2.5 kilometers, while other 2 will be less than 250 meters. An elevated line will be constructed from the existing line at Panvel, and this new line will come down after some distance. A small elevated bridge will also be constructed for this purpose. Similar work will be done at Karjat station. Once completed, more than 20 local train services will operate between Panvel and Karjat railway stations daily. This new railway line will increase housing and opening up of employment opportunities between Panvel and Karjat. It has been more than 4 years since this Rs 2,783 crore new suburban rail line got approved, but since then it has been moving at a slow pace. The authorities are currently working on acquiring 32 hectares of land that falls on this 28 kilometers long rail corridor. Of these, 9 hectares, equivalent to 6 football grounds, fall under forest land. Primary works on this rail line has begun wherever possible. At present, a single line connects Panvel with Karjat, traversing through the taluks of Panvel, Khalapur and Karjat, and caters to goods and long-distance passenger trains. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.